Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn off Toyota Tacoma maintenance light step by step. Begin with the engine off and the key in your hand. Set the display to trip A, press and hold the trip reset button, then turn the key to on without starting the engine. Keep holding until the maintenance light blinks and goes out, release the button, start the engine, and confirm the light is off and the display resets. If the basic reset does not work, try an alternate method that uses ignition cycling and steering wheel controls where available. Make sure the display shows trip A, then hold the reset button and cycle the key OFF to on twice without starting the engine. Continue holding until the indicator stops flashing and the maintenance message disappears. If the light still remains, consider checking the owner manual or seeking dealer diagnostics to confirm there is no active service code. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear car guides. Quick recommendation. I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a book that changes how you think about money, and it pairs well with practical skills like car maintenance because it frees you to spend time on what matters. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the maintenance light will not reset due to simple issues like a low battery or using trip B by mistake, so verify battery charge and confirm trip A is selected. If the light still stays on, an OBDROMAN2 reader can reveal stored codes that explain the problem and prevent resets. Address any required maintenance like oil changes or part service before forcing a reset, because clearing a real fault will only hide an unresolved safety or performance issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.